There are 13 best foods for gut health. Hi viewers and welcome back to Healthdome, your bestie for health information and tips to maintain your fitness in natural ways. Did you know that improving your gut health may help you repair the rest of your body? Learn what foods you should consume to heal your gut. Do you know what foods you should eat to improve your gut health? Have you ever had a gut feeling or had butterflies in your tummy due to excitement? Millions of nerve cells connect your stomach and brain, and for good reason. The gut is frequently referred to as the second brain. When your gut is in poor condition, it can have a negative impact on your mental health by raising despair and anxiety. After all, the bulk of serotonin is produced in the stomach, and low levels of serotonin can result in sugar cravings, addictive behavior, and mood problems. Because your gut contains over 80% of your immune system, it's critical that you eat foods that promote gut health. Your gut is home to billions of bacteria colonies that aid in digestion, the production of serotonin, and the enhancement of your immune system. This delicate balance may be thrown off by excessive sugar consumption, pesticides in our veggies, and even the usage of prescription drugs. By including several foods for improved gut health on a regular basis, you may not only boost your immune system but also reduce your risk of different ailments such as heart disease and cancer. In this video, we will discuss the 13 greatest foods for gut health, so be sure to watch till the end to learn about them all. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this, and remember to hit that like button and the notification bell, so you never miss our new videos. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains numerous antifungal and antibacterial qualities that aid in the battle against infections, but it is also a source of prebiotics that aid in the feeding of those beneficial microorganisms. To survive and reproduce, healthy gut flora consumes prebiotics. Garlic may be used in a variety of dishes, but it is best consumed raw while the enzymes are still active. If you don't like the flavor of garlic in your diet, you may take it as a pill. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Sulfur and antioxidants found in vegetables such as broccoli and cauliflower help to decrease inflammation in the body. They also include fiber, which is necessary for keeping the colon clean and moving the stool. Red broccoli is high in nutrients including vitamin C and vitamin D, which assist your body fight illness. Broccoli and cauliflower are both good for the stomach and may be consumed raw or cooked. 3. Unripe bananas. Green bananas contain a fiber-resistant starch that is broken down and consumed by gut bacteria, making them an excellent source of prebiotics. Resistant starch has been found to improve gut health and enhance bowel motions. It also keeps you satisfied for longer, resulting in less overeating and cravings. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Many gastrointestinal issues are caused by low stomach acid, which permits bacteria to proliferate. Including apple cider vinegar in your daily routine aids in appropriate digestion, detoxification, and pH balance. The pectin in the vinegar from apples is also a good source of prebiotics for your beneficial bacteria. This vinegar may be used as a home treatment for heartburn and uric acid accumulation, which is known as gout. Drink a glass of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water in the morning to assist digestion and keep your pH regulated. 5. Kefir. This probiotic yogurt drink is created by fermenting milk and is high in beneficial microorganisms. Its origins may be traced back to the mountainous region between Asia and Europe, as well as Russia and Central Asia. It's also a tasty addition to smoothies and soups. By adding lemon juice and spices, you may use it as a foundation for salad dressing. 6. Ginger fresh. Ginger can aid with the formation of stomach acid and stimulates the digestive system to keep food moving through the gut. Fresh grated ginger may be used to soups, stews, smoothies, or stir-fries. Make a delicious ginger tea by pouring boiling water over grated ginger. 7. Onions. Probiotics are well known for their ability to keep your gut healthy. Onions are high in probiotics and can provide a safe environment for the growth of beneficial microorganisms. You may eat cooked onions or integrate them into your salad. If the scent bothers you, you may simply soak sliced onions in tap water before using them in your cooking. Probiotics function best if you restrict your consumption of processed foods, which contribute to the sluggish growth of beneficial bacteria. 8. Coconut products. Coconut products include beneficial fats as well as medium-chain fatty acids like caprylic acid. They have antifungal qualities that kill off harmful bacteria that develop in the stomach. Caprylic acid, a component of coconut oil, has also been proven to lower the pH pylori bacterium, which causes ulcers. It is easy for candida to overgrow when you consume too much sugar, and coconut oil is a good method to include healthy fats into your diet while keeping infections at bay. It's a fantastic oil for frying, and because it has such a high smoke point and can be put straight to your pan, caprylic acid may also be taken separately as a supplement in between meals. 9. Peas. Gut bacteria require fiber to thrive, therefore the more fruits and vegetables you eat, the better. Peas are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to maintain your system in balance. Peas can be used to stir-fried soups or salads. 10. Olive oil. Gut bacteria and microorganisms benefit from a diet rich in fatty acids and polyphenols. Olive oil contains these. It has been proven in studies to help decrease intestinal inflammation. Dress salads with it or pour it over cooked veggies. Some studies have also indicated that olive oil can help with indigestion. It can also help your pancreas by reducing the need for it to generate digesting enzymes. 11. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of friendly bacteria, often known as probiotics. For a delicious breakfast, look for sugar-free, full-fat varieties and top with your own fruit. Yogurt beverages might have significantly more germs that are beneficial to the intestines than a typical yogurt. However, keep in mind that they might have a high sugar content. 12. Mangoes. Even incorporating one mango into your diet can improve the health of your stomach. It nourishes your stomach by keeping healthy bacteria alive. It is also high in bioactive chemicals, which are extremely beneficial to intestinal health. The nice thing about mangoes is that they can be included to a variety of smoothies. 13. Bone broth. A handmade bone broth is one of the greatest sources of collagen and gelatin, both of which are necessary for healing leaky gut. You can significantly reduce inflammation and allergies by closing up the stomach. Bone broth has a calming impact on the intestines and can help to alleviate cramping and pain. It's simple to make in the slow cooker or instant pot with leftover chicken or beef bones and veggies. You may also request soup bones from your local butcher at your local grocery shop. Drinking hot bone broth for breakfast is an excellent way to begin the day. So what do you think? Are you going to include any of these in your meal? Please let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please smash the like button, as well as hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.